Hello guys, welcome back to Trading for Beginners, and in this video I'm going to talk about how can you check for security reports or audit reports and open source data of Bitget Wallet. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Since the very beginning of crypto, it has been used in crimes and different illegal aspects of the world. That's why all of the Bitcoin or cryptocurrency transaction or the providers will always give a transparent data of their tradings and platforms, and if you would like to check them for the security purposes, you just simply have to open your Bitget wallet and tap to this four circle into the top left corner. And after tapping into there, just simply scroll down and you will get to see this option of security and privacy. Tap there and then you will get this option of open source data and audit. Simply tap there and you can check between swap audit report, swap open source documentation and other options. Just simply select the audit report which you are interested in. I'm selecting the swap audit report in here, and after opening that, it will open a site for you. Just simply wait a while for that, and it opened this PDF file for me. Now I can check the audit report in here. This way you can easily check the audit report and other options into the Bitget wallet. I hope this video was very informative for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching this video.